In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close financial year in Xero. Closing the year in Xero is really about telling the system which month and day your financial year ends, so your reports, comparisons, and budgets line up correctly. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and along the way, I'll point out what each choice means so you can be confident about the change. First, open your browser and head to xero.com. Make sure you're signed in with a user who can access your organization's settings. If you work with more than one organization, keep an eye on which one you're in. Next, look to the top of the screen and click the organization's name to open the drop-down. If you need to switch organizations, do that now so you're adjusting the right file. From that drop-down, choose Settings. This takes you into the place where company-level preferences live. Scroll down the settings page until you find Financial Settings and click it. This area controls broad rules like tax defaults and, importantly, your financial year end. In the financial year end section, click Change. You're not altering any historical transactions here. You're defining the cutoff date Xero uses to group activity into financial years. Now, select the day and month that mark the end of your financial year. Pick the exact last day of your official fiscal year as recognized in your jurisdiction or by your board. For example, some regions use March 31st or June 30, but choose what matches your legal and reporting needs. If you're unsure, confirm with your accountant before proceeding, because changing the year end can affect how comparative reports and budgets are displayed. When you've set the correct date, click Done to confirm the selection within the page. To finish, click Save. This writes the new financial year end to your organization. Without saving, Xero won't keep the change. After saving, your reporting periods such as profit and loss and balance sheet comparisons will align to the year end you selected. Existing transactions remain intact. You're just updating the boundary that defines each year. A few practical tips as you wrap up. Give reports a quick refresh to see the new period groupings and communicate the change to anyone preparing management or statutory reports. If you need to prevent edits to prior periods, look into Xero's lock dates feature separately. And that's it. You've closed the financial year in Xero by setting the correct financial year end, ensuring your books roll forward cleanly into the next year.